So this is just a quick video to show the new Renault Trafic phone mount that is available. Now this is obviously, we're in the Renault Trafic here, and this is the standard phone mount that you get with the vans. Obviously it's the same phone mount as on also a Vauxhall Vivaro, Fiat Talento, and a Nissan as well. I'm not sure the model. So same as the Renault Trafic, and it's the same phone mount for all those vans. If you've got a phone mount like this, it'll be this one. So obviously a lot of phones nowadays are quite large and they don't even fit into this phone mount that Renault offer. And even if you can get your phone in there, I've got a smaller iPhone here which does fit in. If it's one of the full screen ones, you can't even get to the whole screen. Plus you have to clip it into this little clip which slides up. I can't even think how it does it like that. Goes in like that, but it's obviously not that straightforward, and obviously if you've got one of the bigger new style phones, it doesn't fit in it anyway. So to fit the phone mount, I'm just going to take this whole section off of the dash. So you just grab this part here and just pull up and forward towards the front of the van, and as you can see there's a screw inside. So I've got a screwdriver here. We're just going to undo that, take the screw out, and then the two halves of the of this mount, or this part, come apart like that, and you can just take the old one out and discard of that completely. Now this is the old phone mount that used to be available, and that would have gone inside like this. The two halves go back together and that sits on there like that, and that's the old phone mount. And that held the phones fine like that, but we found with heavier phones, larger phones, sometimes they were slipping down because this one has 4 magnets inside, and for some phones it just wasn't strong enough for the real heavier phones. So now I'll take that away. This is the new style phone mount that we've got, and this is how it comes. This is the metal plate, so it's a larger metal plate you get with it, but the main thing is that this has got 6 magnets in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, and it's much stronger. It's really strong now, and it's adjustable on the back for the angle with a little tightener like that, so you can obviously tighten it up to you know, when you need to adjust the angle and tighten back up again. So let me just put that back into the standard holder. So it slots in like that, just into the slot, and the other half goes back on, push together, screw back in, set, tighten up, and then push that back into the dash. So you just push forward and down like that firmly, and as I say, you can just adjust that and then tighten up the little holder on the back to where you want it. That's it, and then it's nice and stiff, you can see, and then that will then take the phone, and it's really strong now, really strong with that new 6 magnets. If you've got a larger style phone like this one, you can obviously stick the metal plate that you get on the back of your case or your phone, like on this iPhone here. But what I've done on this is the largest phone and heaviest phone I could get hold of. This is a Samsung S21 Ultra, and I looked it up. These are 230 grams, so they're quite heavy for a modern phone. What you can do, if you've got a thin case, you can actually put the metal disc or the metal plate inside the case, and I'll just put it in loosely for now, I won't stick it in. But if you just put it in like that, and then the case goes back on, it's just, you wouldn't even know the difference. It's because it's so thin, the piece of metal, and it sticks, and it still sticks absolutely fine with those 6 magnets. So in a lot of cases, if you've got a thin, even with a heavy phone, as long as you've got a thin case, you can sometimes just get away with putting the disc inside, and then obviously it looks nice and neat. You wouldn't even know it's there, and it sticks fine, and it's really solid still. So that's it. Thanks for watching.